Okay, Tati, do you have a message for Grandpa?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Grandpa. Happy birthday to...
Finish your song. To
you. To you. Many times.
What do you have to say anything to Grandpa? What do you have to say? What do you want to say to Grandpa? It's his birthday this week.
Yeah.
Hey, Tatiana. You gonna see Grandpa soon?
Yeah.
What does Grandpa do that you think is so silly? What does he do that's so silly? What does he do? Tati?
The puppy.
Mm-hmm.
The puppy.
You pop. Show me pop.
It's too hard.
You can try it. Try it. Can you try it? Show me how Grandpa does it.
I don't want to pop.
Oh. Okay. Can you say goodbye to Grandma and Grandpa?
Goodbye, Grandma and Grandpa.
You blow him another kiss? That's not a blowing kiss. Do it again. That's just blowing. There's no kiss there. Do the kiss first. That's just blowing again. You're silly. Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Goodbye, Grandma and Grandpa.
Goodbye.